Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in online marketing, we'll discuss about an important topic called content marketing. Content marketing is everything. Without content, there is no internet, there is no website, there is no blog, there is no social media. Content is what engages with your customers. Content is what drives traffic to your website, and content is what makes conversions for your website. Let's see some of the invaluable factors that are associated with content marketing. What is content marketing in the first place? Content marketing is a new marketing technique used to create and publish valuable, beneficial content on the web for the users with an objective of promoting a business. The sole objective of any business is promoting the business, increasing the visibility of the business so that their services, their solutions and their products are actually visible for the customers or prospective customers, so that they can engage with the business and generate revenue by selling their services, solutions and products. And one of the means of engaging with customers, disseminating quality information, creating an awareness on the businesses, companies do a lot of content marketing. Content marketing is what increases the visibility of the businesses. Content marketing is what creates a brand identity for your business, and content marketing is what generates leads for the businesses, and content marketing is what brings customers to the business, and content marketing is what drives traffic to your website through increased visibility in terms of search engine rankings. So content marketing is everything. Focus on content marketing if you want to really do some online marketing. How actually content marketing works? Content is published on the website blog in the specific niche to a specific users for a specific purpose. Content is published on, it could be content on the website, it could be content on the blogs, it could be content on either on landing pages or the content that you publish on social media platforms. It is done with a specific purpose to address the specific audience, to reach out to specific audience, to reach out to understand the customers, prospective customers, and drive traffic to your website. That is precisely one of the main objective of publishing content on multiple platforms. Users looking for specific solution to their problems read the content published and benefit from it. Each and everybody who are online, who are on internet, they are searching for specific solutions to a specific problems. It could be any problem, it could be a personal problem, it could be a professional problem. People looking for solutions on internet. People are flocking the internet, people are coming to the search engines and typing their keywords associated with the kind of solution that they are looking for. When your website or a landing page or a blog or social media platform is available to them, when they connect with you through the website or the blogs and they engages with you and they get the valuable information that is actually helping them out, they actually become your source of generating leads, and this source of generating leads drives conversions for you and solutions provided by you for the intended users, a specific users addressing a specific problem. Content can be in the form of text, infographics, videos, podcasts and ebooks. All that content that you publish on the websites, on the blogs, on social media, on landing pages could be in terms of text or the infographics or the videos, audios, podcasts or ebooks. All this information is content. The content that is focused on users or focused on solution, providing a solution to the users. And every content that you publish actually engages with the readers and they find solution to their problems. Now, what are the benefits that you can derive out of content marketing? Content on the web creates awareness. Any service, solution, product that you are selling, of any business that you are into, any industry you are into, if you want to create an awareness in online, if you want to reach out to the intended audience or the customers, and the best way of creating awareness is only through content marketing. Content allows companies to reach out to the intended customers. The only way actually reaching out to the intended customers, wherever they are searching in the search engines, your website is appearing, then you do a paid advertising, they are coming to the landing pages, you have published blog articles, or you have made yourself available on social media. There are the multiple ways you can actually interact, engage and communicate with your audience, with your prospective customers, and this is precisely what content marketing will do to you. Content helps customers to make informed decisions. Customers today are very informed people. They have multiple choices. They are a highly competitive world in an internet driven world, and more importantly, the content that you provide, actually people view your content and they may not take immediate decision. They actually go to the multiple users, multiple companies. There are a lot of competitors out there available. The valuable content that actually you create differentiates you from your competitors. The more value you provide, the better the engagement with your customer. The better the engagement with the customers, the more the conversions will have. Never ever take your customer for granted. Provide high quality information, because the customer today is a very informed person. Content empowers the companies to create brand awareness for their products. The content, high value content, actually creates the brand awareness. Your brand identity will be created online, so that more and more people will engage with you. It's a win-win situation for both the companies and the customers. It is absolutely a win-win situation. The more value you provide to a customer through your content marketing, people will love it. They'll come to your website or the landing pages and they buy products for you. They buy products for you, you make money out of it, and the value that the customer gets out of getting your products or services or solutions. It is a win-win situation both for the customers as well as for the businesses. And these are some of the benefits that you can derive out of content marketing. In this video, what we have seen in conclusion is what is content marketing, how content marketing works, and the immense benefit that you can derive out of content marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.